Hey everybody, welcome to my review of the Pyle PLPTS25 laptop computer stand for DJs. Um, to me, I received mine yesterday. I ordered via Amazon and I received it yesterday. Put it up together and I realized it's pretty stable for the cost. It's very affordable. I believe I paid $16.68 or something like that. With tax, it came up to $17 and a couple cents. But it's a pretty stable laptop stand if you ask me. It's very simple to put up, as I didn't realize that there was even a manual in the box until after I finished setting it up. Now, the box that it came in was this. This is the box that it came in, showing off the display of how the laptop stand is going to be looking. It's actually adjustable, and that's one thing that a lot of people don't know, that it's actually adjustable. You adjust it by, there's a lower support and an upper support. So you adjust it using the lower and upper support, like you unscrew the stabilizer bars and everything. It came pulled down. It came with the stabilizer bars wrapped up together. It came with the upper and lower supports on each side detached. And when you put it together to the height of what you want, and you use the stabilizer bars to hold the left and the right together. Personally, I do not have any complaints about this, other than the fact that when it was getting its paint job, there seemed like there was dust particles on there that wasn't brushed off, and therefore where is it? See, it's not even noticeable some of the time, but yeah, it's like there was dust particles on there that wasn't brushed off, and they probably just sprayed over it, so therefore you see some lumps and stuff in the paint job. But other than that, it's a pretty stable DJ stand, and I'm pretty sure when I go do my gig this weekend, I'll be happy with it. Because usually I use the one I use one that's another brand I won't mention, that's collapsible, but like that one, it keeps feeling like it's about to collapse while I'm DJing, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. So this is a pretty good DJ laptop stand for someone who's just starting off. Like I said, it's pretty stable, and yeah, it won't be tipping over or anything. I also installed the slip mats that it came with. These came in the box as well. You put them there so your laptop don't slide. You put it at the bottom so the stand don't slide off the surface that you have it on. So once again, to me, this is a pretty great product for the price that you pay for it. Trust me, you will not regret it. All right.